This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Shut down the PC, unplug the power cord, and press the case power button once to discharge residual charge. Never work on a live system. Open the case by removing screws or using thumb latches, then locate the memory slots near the CPU, usually parallel, and labeled DIMM1, DIMM2. Use an anti-static wrist strap clipped to the metal chassis or frequently touch a grounded metal part to avoid electrostatic discharge. Inspect existing modules for type and capacity, for example DDR4 8GB, and note notch orientation and installed slot population. To remove a RAM module, push down the retaining clips at both ends of the DIMM slot simultaneously until the module pops up at a slight angle. Never bend the module. Grasp the module by its short edges and pull it straight out along the slot plane, keeping the notch orientation in mind so you can reinstall the same way if desired. Avoid touching gold contacts or memory chips. Place removed modules into anti-static bags or on a grounded anti-static mat, and label them if you are swapping multiple modules. When installing RAM, align the module notch with the slot key so it can only seat one way. Place the module into the slot at a shallow angle if the motherboard recommends, then press evenly and firmly until both retention clips click over the module ends. For dual-channel motherboards, populate the recommended paired slots, for example DIMM1 and DIMM3 for 2 modules, to enable dual-channel performance. Reassemble the case, reconnect power. Boot to BIOS to confirm full recognized capacity, such as 16 GB, and run a memory test or Windows memory diagnostic to verify stability before regular use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.